Hello lovely people, hope you all are in best of your health. So guys, today's video is all about purple.com haul. So guys, I ordered the skincare from purple.com and I got a nice products under 499 and it's a बहुत कम. It's in the range of 225 to 149. It's like amazing products that I ordered from Purple haul. And guys, इस time Purple में बहुत ही अच्छा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है और amazing brands पे बहुत अच्छा गाइस मैंने अभी मंगाए हैं. एंड अगर आप अभी चाहते हो उसमें इतनी अच्छे डिस्काउंट चल रहे हैं, आप सोचो कितना अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा जब ये आइटम्स ऑलरेडी इतनी कम रेंज पे है. सो रीजनेबल प्राइस गाइस, purple.com पे बहुत अच्छी सेल चल रही है. बहुत ही अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर आपको काफी अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. सो गाइस विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स गेट टू द वीडियो. So guys, the first product is from Good Vibes Candula Brightening S-Zone Face Mask. So guys, this is the face mask and it is such a nice face mask. You can see the glow on my face. This is because of this face mask and many other products also. But guys, this is a very nice face mask. It's brighten up your skin. It add a glow to your face and it is wow, just wow. MRP is 225 and I got it on a 25 discount and I got this product about 120 or 149 something like this. And guys, it's a very nice product. You can have a look. Good Vibes. It's a very nice skincare brand. So guys, you should try to this product. So next product is, it is a toner, Rosewood toner, skin cleansing plus hydrating toner. It is also from Good Vibes. Secondly, I love this brand. It is a very nice brand for skincare. It nourishes the skin, it hydrates the skin and add a nice pinky glow to your face. And this is a very nice toner who have a problem of open pores, dryness or very rough skin. So you should try this. And the guys, MRP is 245 and I got it this product 150. It was a nice discount going on there and I love this. So guys, next product is a face wash that is also from Good Vibes and it is a green tea purifying face wash. You can have a look. This is a very nice face wash. Those who are people who having acne over their face, pimples of their face, you should try this face wash. Guys, this is a very nice face wash that I got from Purple brand. And guys, MRP is 175 and I got this product of rupees 108 something. And guys, on purple.com there was a huge discount going on. Nice brands like NY, Good Vibes and many other nice brands. So nice discount going on there. And guys, also I'll mention the link of each product I'm showing here so that you can directly go and buy the products. And I'll also mention the coupon codes so that you can get a nice discount over there. Product is also from Good Vibes, that is Amla Shikakai Strengthening Hair Mask. Guys, this is also a very nice hair mask that I applied. I have been using this from a week and have applied for 2 times. And this is a very nice hair mask. Actually, it strengthened my hairs and I get a nice silky hairs like this because I have curly hairs. It also straightened up my hairs. So guys, it's a very nice hair mask and the MRP is 499 and I got this for rupees 350. I got a nice discount for this. This is also a very nice hair mask that I like it. So next product is, it also from Good Vibes, that is turmeric essential oil. So very nice oil guys. You can add this oil to any of your device and you can also apply this to your hair. So it is very nice for hairs plus for skin. It softens up your skin, clears your skin. If you have a pimple problem, it also helps in clearing your skin. So guys, MRP is 110 rupees and I got for 75 rupees. And I have also ordered many products like this. So next is Tea Tree Essential Oil. Guys, this is also a very nice essential oil and I also add these oils to my DIYs and it is very nice. These are very easy to use. You can add in 2-3 drops in any of your DIYs and you can also use separately, like you'll take 2-3 drops and apply it on your face and then leave it to absorb. It's a very nice. You can apply this on your hair also. And it's a very nice tea tree. It prevents pimples and acne and removes scars from your face. The MRP is rupees 245 and I get this product for rupees 140. And guys, wow, such a nice discount is going on purple.com. It was a nice shopping there. So guys, you should also give it a try and check out to all these products. You can see it was a nice discount going on each and every item because it's a season end and you can have many products in such a nice range. So next product is, it is from NY Bay. It's a facial serum. You can have a look. And guys, this is a very nice serum. It's like lovely. It adds a natural glow to your face. If you have a problem of open pores, that is also very nice. You should apply this serum for open pores. and prevent acne and plus soften up your skin and plus also brighten up your skin. So guys, this is also a very nice serum that I got from purplle.com and the price is 175 and I got this for rupees 100. Guys, it was nice shopping there. Seriously, it was nice shopping there. I got such a nice discount on each and every item. I mean, wow. So guys, next product is from Elf's Goodness and it is a saffron skin glow serum. It's another very nice serum that add a very nice glow to your face. Every girl wishes to have a nice healthy glow on their face because every girl wants to get a compliment from others. So guys, if you want that glow, if you want that pinky blushy glow, so you should apply this serum. This is a very nice serum to add a nice healthy glow to your face and it's the MRP is rupees 155 and again I got this product for rupees 95 rupees and guys, there was a nice discount overall I get on each and every product. So guys, next is from Good Vibes Strawberry Body Yogurt. This is also a very nice product guys. It was like, I just want to eat this product. I was just like, wow, it's a strawberry fragrance and guys, I'll show you the texture. It's wow guys, like I have been using this for a week and you can see it is seriously very nice and the fragrance stay all day. It's very nice and I just love this product and it's a very nice product. So guys, it was nice. It was just awesome shopping with purplle.com and the MRP is rupees 475 and I got this product for 325. There's a nice discount on this and it is 200 grams. The quantity is also very nice. Quality is just, you know, Good Vibes is such a nice brand. You can trust blindly on this brand. So guys, everything is just awesome. I have taken such a nice product from there and it was like wow. And guys, thank you for watching and plus I'll mention all the links of all the products there so you can directly buy from there and plus you can add the coupon codes so get a nice discount. Thank you for watching and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up.